We're starting now the fourth period. That's Daf Chaf Hey Amid Aleph. Malkum shana hag leitzes malacha ba'arbe pesachim at chatzois oisem. Malkum shana hag shaloy leitzes enis. As if two, it depends on which place you are. According to that, if you're allowed to do a malacha erev Pesach. Hayich malkum shana oisem malkum shana oisem. Hayich shana enis malkum shana oisem. Oisem chumre malkum shana yatzim sham. Chumre malkum shana lachas sham. So if he comes from a place that he don't do, he cannot do. If he goes to a place that he don't do, he cannot either do. So this is a general statement. General statement. Wherever you go, make sure not to do different when it's machlekes. So the question obviously arises: if you go to a place that they do a malacha and you don't do, then is it shaykh machlekes? It's not shaykh. Umar says it's not shaykh because nobody's going to know. Maybe you don't have a job. But in general, this is the cloud. But if it's a machlekes, you shouldn't do anything different because it shouldn't cause machlekes. It says in Pasuk Sham Tizmach as a Pesach ba'ar. Any Elahu shluchem in ayin tavlem b'shalta b'chalta. Mata medloim Sham Tizbach as a Pesach ba'ar. You have to do it yourself. Any of this they also malachtucha b'kabanach kar. It means ki ilu you shechted it. That's the pshat. I will asru malaises malacha to do tanei tana lahein kol inish. Because of this, every person you have alei on bikurim that he has upon himself carbon eitzim or carbon bikurim is also behesed with times. So we see if a person brings a carbon, even though he doesn't bring it himself, that day has to be a yont. So it's ki'ilu he did it. Also behesed with times. Milais malacha b'yah. Umav yoyin. Ilan tamidin kavrasem shall call Yisrael. The Talmud is a carbon from the whole Klal Yisrael. Im yehev we call Yisrael in the Yerushalayim leisiksiv ela shalosh pam Yerushalayim chol chucha. You can't go every day to Yerushalayim. Because it's their carbon, since they are bringing the carbon, they're not allowed to do malacha. Can either be. Say v'sachta liganechem yosef hem v'sadoga. Sheskina avina v'shayim esen abba mishmaris. I'll call mishma oimet Yerushalayim. They had a certain maimed shekahanim b'mis Yisraelim. So there was like a groups of kahanim avim Yisraelim. Yisraelim was standing there, and they were representatives. Each the whole class was separate, was divided into 24 groups, and a certain group came to Yerushalayim. Tana Esma Ba Aleph. So this is it's a lashon of a pasuk. It's a litze. It says Esma Ba Aleph. It's a pasuk. I think of the Yom. I don't know what here it uses to number 24 to say there's 24 mishmaros, but it uses this pasuk. And then he says like this: Ahmed, it's not such a clear what the Shalom is telling us here. Ahmed echad b'Yerushalayim b'chatzi Ahmed me'erichai. It's very, very, very awesome this Yerushalmi, but I just want to maybe this is pshat that you in Yerushalayim itself they had people from each mishmar living there, and in Yerichai also, and they had exactly half of the amount. Let's say in Yerushalayim they had 100 people from Shevet Ben from that mishmar, so they had in Yerichai 50 people. People from Yerichai, they brought, the Gemara says, they were delivering food for the people in Yerushalayim. That's what the Gemara says in Bavli. That was their job. It's interesting why Yerichai was the place where they bought the food from, but that's the fact. From Yerichai, these people, the 50 people, let's say, brought food for the 100 people in Yerushalayim. This is I'm still saying it's Sasam Oid, and Adarab, if you have a good shot, please send it to me. Tanab Shima Lazo Aimek. Kan Avim Israel and Bashir Akran Sakar. Omishan Lazo time of Shima Lazo Kol Mushtachum El Yisra. Bashir Mashoir El Avim. Chsez Bechatsu El Kehan. Hakal Adla Khalis Oil Hakam Akran Sakar. All these things you need for the carb. Khum Hashem Lazo Shamla Manada. Etnas Levim is tun an Lavam Tech Israel Elo Levim. Lav Zabayz Bnei Israel El Moed El Kahan Chape Bnei Israel Ze Ashir. Vayeh Bnei Israel Legesh LeKodesh El Israel. Naim Shashir Kol Kapara. You say that you use the word Chape means Ashir. Where do you see Shikol Chinan Avida Biante B'Shem Reb? Yol Chape Bnei Israel Ze Ashir. Not Shik Ma'akev. There's something here that needs tikkun. Doesn't it's asking the question Naim Shashir Ma'akev. First he asks Naim Shashir Kol Kapara, and he doesn't answer it. Where do you find Shir is called Kapara? He said Chape means Shir. So it needs a tick on this, and I don't know how to give something missing here. It says Naim Shashir Kol Kapara, and it doesn't say how. And then it says Naim Shashir Ma'akev. Obviously, if Chape Bnei Israel means Shir, so Shir is Ma'akev. So this area here is tzarich tikkun, and also again, somebody who has a pshat or the girsa that makes sense should please send it to me. This is the end of Daf Chof Hey Amud Aleph.